Hello everyone, I'm connecting with all of you after a very long gap. I have been away for quite some time because renovation work was going on at home. It's such a pleasure to be back again. So let's make something nice. Today, to inaugurate my new kitchen, I thought of making Kadha Prashad as we make it on all the auspicious days. So today's recipe is very easy to follow. I've shared proper measurements and tips. You follow them to the T and you'll never go wrong. The Kadha Prasad tastes as good as the one we get in Gurudwara. So let's prepare it. We just require 3 ingredients. Take one small bowl full of wheat flour, which is about half cup. 2 heaped tablespoons of unmelted ghee. Sugar, 2 tablespoons less than the quantity of the wheat flour. Use the same size bowls. I have used organic brown sugar. You can use normal white sugar. Now in a pan, we will melt the ghee first. In Gurudwara, they usually take little more ghee. All the 3 ingredients are taken in the same quantity. But here, I like to reduce little bit. Now the ghee is melted. Add the wheat flour. Keep the flame medium first and saute it. Now reduce the flame and keep stirring. The secret of making good Kadha Prashad is just cooking on low flame. In between you may increase a little bit, but again reduce it to low. Then you'll get a very flavorful Kadha Prashad. You have to have a lot of patience. Continue stirring so that the color is even. Slowly the color will start changing. As you are stirring, you will get a lovely aroma in your kitchen. You see, now the color has become little darker. You have to still fry till it gets a golden brown color. Now some people also add semolina or besan, but we should never add that. The traditional Kadha Prasad is made only with wheat flour, 3 ingredients, no flavoring, no garnishing, nothing is added. Now once it is brown, you add water. Now we need to add 1.5 measures, but first I'll add 1 bowl. Give it a mix, then stir in the sugar, because sugar melts and then there's liquid content in the sugar as well. After checking the consistency, we can add little more later. Now the perfect ratio is for 1 bowl of wheat flour, 1.5 to 2 bowls of water, depending on the consistency you like. Keep stirring. You can see when you add sugar, the color becomes darker. First, when you add water, it becomes lighter. Then again, the sugar brings back the color to it. Now I am adding half bowl of water. This is the perfect measurement for thicker Kadha Prasad like Gurudwara. If you like it softer, you can add half bowl more. So you can say the measurement for 1 bowl full of atta, you can take 1.5 to 2 bowls of water. Perfect. Very flavorful Kadha Prasad is ready. But the secret is just cooking on low flame. Take time, don't rush. Don't cover with a lid ever after making the Kadha Prasad, because the droplets of water fall into it. So you switch off the flame and just cover it with a cloth napkin. Wasn't it so easy? The secret is just 3 ingredients and lot of patience, and you'll get a perfect Kadha Prasad. Apart from festive days, we make this on every happy occasion that we are celebrating at home. Do give it a try and share your feedback. I love reading all your lovely comments. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from the archives as well. You might have missed them earlier. Bye. Take care.